Today I am in my kitchen to prepare sweet potato cutlets, a very healthy snack. The two main ingredients are sweet potato and semolina suji. Sweet potato is a fibrous root vegetable which is loaded with health benefits. And semolina, as we know, is high in protein and fiber as well as B vitamins, which helps to convert food into energy. So let's get started. These are the ingredients required to make these cutlets. 250 grams of sweet potato, boiled and grated, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half cup of semolina, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 green chilli finely chopped, half an onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and salt according to taste. The next step is to roast the semolina. I have already got half cup of semolina roasted. Now I will switch on the gas and boil water. The water has to be a little more than double the quantity of semolina. So here I have got 1 cup and a little more. When the water boils, add all the dry masalas, the coriander powder, the chili flakes, the cumin seeds, a bit of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Stir it a little bit. And as it boils, gradually put the semolina and keep stirring so that it doesn't form lumps. It should be well cooked and leave the pan. Now it is ready. Let it cool. And when it is cooled, we add it to the sweet potato mixture. Cooled, I will add the sweet potato, the green chili and the chopped onions, which is optional. And mix it thoroughly. Take some quantity, make it into a ball and shape it into a cutlet. Now I am going to make a design on it for it to look pretty. Now they are all ready to go into the air fryer. I'll apply some oil to make it crispy. Turning it to 15 minutes. And I'll keep 180 as the temperature. After 15 minutes, Yes, they are ready. They are ready to be served. They are crispy from outside but soft from within. Try making this snack. These are delicious and nutritious, especially for those who do not eat sweet potato.